Do you have 3 minutes? Because 3 minutes might be all you need to turn this day around. Maybe even to turn your life around. Hi, I'm Mary England, aka Uncustomary, the founder of the Merriment Makers movement. I'm located in Baltimore. I have a background in psychology and 10 years of experience running a worldwide community rooted in inner child work, healing mental health, and the fundamentals of having fun. As your coach, I want to empower you to jumpstart your joy. I want to reinvigorate your life. I want to help you feel more grounded in your body. I want to connect you with like-minded people who make time to play, who say yes to life and celebrate every day. The Merriment Makers put the unity in community. We embrace our bold, our colorful, and our weird. We learn how to face and overcome our fears. Because adulting, it can be really hard. But your inner child's still here. So we're letting them know that it's okay to come back out and play. You are worth more than how productive you can be. Play has value. It is not just work, but rest that restores you. You are more than a 9-to-5. You were born worthy of love and to enjoy this one precious life. We are the Merriment Makers. We are here to live, thrive, play, and create. To live, thrive, play, and celebrate. Life is juicy. It's great. And together, we make it even better. Experience exclusive, member-only monthly workshops, masterclasses, podcasts, weekly challenges and missions, a group chat, text messages, EFT tapping, workbooks, meditations, playlists, journaling prompts, and even more tangible tools and activities grounded in reality to enhance your innate uniqueness, both as an individual and as a member of an international community. If you want to learn to be more kind, to be more of who you already are, and to have more fun with wild abandon and without guilt, I am here for it. We are here for you. To make merriment, to find your happy. So join the movement, save the date. I'll see you later, babe. Stay tuned for the merriest day, part 2.